I'm not gonna give up yet. If fish can live underwater, then so can I. Ow, ow.
Oh, she has so much energy. Say hi. Uh-oh. She's getting double teamed by Pepe and Clammy. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? I think she's a good girl, Clammy. Is she a good girl? 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 Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? What they doing? What they doing? Go say hi. Go say hi. Go say hi. Pepe. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Go say hi. Go say hi. They were just fighting over mooooooo. Hi. 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 Are you guys gonna go outside? Does that mean moomoooo's gonna go outside? Is she gonna go outside? Is it too cold? Is it too cold, mooooooo? Yeah. Say we can have fun in here, right? Hi. Yeah. She doesn't really get along with dogs. She's kind of like a cat. Yeah. I think they're jealous of her. Yeah. They are jealous. They're jealous. They're jealous, aren't they? Are you jealous of her? Are you jealous of her, Clammy? Are you jealous of the cutest dog in the world? The cutest puppy in the world? Bruh, Pepe just had a seizure. This dog is the bestest dog ever. Right, doggy? Right? Aww. Yeah, Jordan, I don't think Clemmy is that small. I think something's wrong with her. What? Pepe's jealous. What, Pepe? Go play with your banana. Why don't you want to play with your banana, Pepe? Go play with your banana. Go play with your banana. No, Pepe! Can you see that? Let's see. Oh no, you can barely see anything back there. Where? Okay. It's right there. Let me enhance. It's right there. Oh god, that looks dusty. What are you gonna do, Pepe? What are you gonna do? You see it? You don't even need the thing anymore. You can just see it. Looks like a turd. It basically is a turd, though. Pepe, go get it. Oh god, I forgot. Okay, now that I'm zoomed out, go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Pepe. Go get it. 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 Oh, oh my god. He got his banana. Up. This looked disgusting even before it went in under there, so now it does not look good. We got this today. Hey.